Hello student, welcome back. Today we are going to start lesson 7, the types of the crops. We have already learnt about agriculture and different types of the agriculture. Agriculture provides us food. It also produces the raw materials to be used in the agro-based industries. The demand of requirement of the growing population, a large variety of crops are grown all over the world. All the crops need a particular climatic and soil condition to be grow well. Crops are classified as food crops, cash crops, plantation crops, fiber crops and the beverage crops. First of all, we will discuss about the food crops. The crops grown to feed people are called food crops. These crops provide most of the calories and the proteins in the diet. Cereals such as rice, wheat, maize and are the food crops. Wheat. Wheat is an example of food crop. Wheat is chiefly grown in the temperate region of the world. It grown in region where extensive type of farming is practiced. The temperature required is about 10 degrees Celsius and the time of ripening the temperature should be around 15 degrees Celsius. The ideal amount of the rainfall required to 50 centimeter to 75 centimeter. Rice. Rice is also a food crop. Rice is major cereals of the world. It is a staple diet of the people living in tropical and subtropical region and the majority of the world population consume this tropical crop. Rice grow best in the hot and wet tropical region. It requires high temperature, heavy rainfall and high humidity. The temperature requirement is about 25 degrees Celsius to 30 degrees Celsius and about 150 to 200 centimeter of rainfall is ideal for its growth. The China is the leading producer of the rice. In India, it is grown in West Bengal, Tamil Nadu, Assam, Bihar and Odisha. Cash crop. Cash crop, also known as commercial crops, are grown for sole purpose of selling the produce. They are not grown as a source of food but mainly as raw material or industries. The cash crop are considered to be very important because they play vital role in economy of the country. Cotton. Cotton the cash crop. Cotton is the most important fiber crop. Cotton require high temperature and the light rainfall. It grows very well in the region with a temperature of about 27 degrees Celsius the growing period. Rainfall of about 75 centimeter to 100 centimeter and 200 frost free days. The United States, Egypt, China, India, Pakistan and Brazil are the major producer of cotton in the world. Jute. Jute is also a cash crop. Jute is versatile fiber crop. It is called a golden fiber as it high economic significance and for its golden color, as it is widely used for packing of the product in agriculture and manufacturing sectors. It is also referred to be brown paper bag of the wholesale market. Jute is used for making bags, mats, ropes, textile and decorative items. India, Bangladesh, Brazil, China, Thailand are major producer of jute in the world. In India, it is grown in Ganga Brahmaputra Delta region. Sugarcane. Sugarcane also a cash crop. Sugarcane is a tropical crop. It belongs to grass family and is a main source of sugar. The temperature requirement for the growing sugarcane is 21 degrees Celsius to 27 degrees Celsius and about 125 centimeter of rainfall. It grows well in fertile, well drained loamy soil. The Brazil is leading producer of the sugarcane, followed by India, Cuba, China, United States, India. Sugarcane is grown in Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra and Tamil Nadu. Plantation crop. Plantation crops are also considered to be cash crop. Tea, coffee, rubber are some plantation crops. Tea is the example of plantation crop. Tea is one of the most popular beverage crop in the world. It is vital product of the trade in the international market. It was first grown in China. Tea is grown in huge land called estate. Coffee. Coffee is also a type of plantation crop. Coffee is important beverage crop. There are three varieties of the coffee: Arabic, Robusta and Liberica. Coffee is is a highland crop of tropical. It requires warm climate and moderate supply of moisture. Brazil is the leading producer of coffee in the world. Rubber. Rubber is made from shape of rubber tree which is called latex. Latex is extracted during the early hours of the morning, processed and exported to different parts of the world. The Amazon basin is the leading producer of the rubber in the world. It is also growing in Indonesia, Malaysia, Sri Lanka and Thailand. Rubber requires hot and wet climate and well-drained fertile soil.